If a man goes 18 kilometers downstream in 4 hours and returns against the stream in 12 hours, then the speed of the stream in kilometers per hour is. Now, in the topic of boats and streams, we know that we assume A as the speed of swimmer or ship in still water, B as the speed of the water body. Hence, the upstream speed becomes A minus B, downstream speed becomes A plus B. Now, let's extract data from the given question. A man goes 18 kilometers downstream in 4 hours. Okay. Now, the formula for speed is distance upon time. Here, the distance is 18 and the time is 4 hours. So, 18 upon 4, because 18 is the downstream speed distance, 18 upon 4 becomes the downstream speed. So, A plus B becomes 18 upon 4, that is 4.5, and returns against the stream in 12 hours. Now he is returning from the same distance, 18 kilometers, but while returning, obviously it will be upstream. It is given against the stream, that is nothing but upstream, in 12 hours. So using the same formula, distance upon time, distance is again 18, but the time here becomes 12. So 18 upon 12 will give us upstream speed, that is A minus B, and that comes out to be 1.5. Now, over here, we want to get the speed of the stream. So, speed of the stream, that is nothing but the water body. So, we want to find out B. Now, we want to get the value of B. So, therefore, we'll have to subtract the second equation from the first. So, A minus of minus becomes plus, and 4.5 minus 1.5. So, A gets cancelled out, B plus B is 2B. 4.5 minus 1.5, that is 3. So 2B is equal to 3. We get B is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So the answer is option B.